Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by making a simple, repeatable base. Combine 1 cup fresh lemon juice, 1 cup granulated sugar, and 6 cups cold water in a pitcher. Stir vigorously until the sugar dissolves, then taste and adjust with 1 to 2 tablespoons more lemon juice or 2 tablespoons more sugar if needed. Chill for at least 30 minutes so flavors marry. Strain if pulp bothers customers. This batch yields about 8 8-ounce servings, stores in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, and forms the scalable foundation for selling. To sell, start by calculating unit costs, total ingredients plus packaging divided by number of servings. If a batch costs $80 to produce and yields 8 cups, unit cost is /bin/sh. 60. Price at $50 per 8-ounce cup to aim for roughly 60% gross margin while remaining competitive. For larger runs, multiply ingredients. 4 batches require 4 cups lemon juice, 4 cups sugar, and 24 cups water. Track labor, ice, and cup costs separately. Add /bin/sh. 10 per cup for ice and lid when computing final retail price. Set up a clean, visible stall. Use a covered dispenser, gloves, and single-use cups to maintain hygiene during service. Keep a cooler with ice to maintain 40 degrees F or lower for perishable mixers, and rotate batches so nothing sits over 4 hours unrefrigerated. Check local rules and obtain a temporary food permit if required. Follow hand washing and sanitation standards. Clearly display ingredients, price signage, and an allergen note. Offer sample sizes and a bundle deal to increase impulse purchases while protecting food safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.